Yeah. Okay, hi guys. I'm gonna use my voice because this is my voice review for after getting like 118 subscribers. I'm so happy that this is happening. So I'm gonna go with some people who want to come with me in this game. So yeah, and my voice, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, this is my first time using a voice in a game. And I'm reusing my voice here because I don't know how this is gonna happen, but we're gonna just start this new game. Actually, we're gonna play. I heard a lot of YouTubers are playing the real one, so I was planning to play it in the Roblox game. Oh gosh. Okay, so if I go here, and I need to go to the server. I cannot die. Okay, one. Okay. Okay, there's a person here. Okay, there is a spirit at the back, so we're gonna go back. Okay, we did it. I don't know where people look at the back. Oh. The person is. Okay, we're in number 2 already. This is a little bit easy. People left. You gotta see nothing. And nothing changed. I was scared. What if this is the wrong one? Then I want to restore it. Okay, you gotta look at the details very closely for some reason. Scary. I came back. Are you serious? Okay, this is an anomaly. This is an anomaly, so we have to go back. I'll post this on the videos. Alright, you know. I have shorts. I mean, I use shorts for a little bit, but like. Are you kidding? This is like a bit scary. I mean, I love this game because. Okay, the eye is normal. Oh, so the eye was like red, so it has to be like. Normal. Come on. Are you serious? It came back? Oh gosh. Okay, no smoking. Everything is fine here. Wait a second. Anomaly, because this is supposed to be straight, but it's not even straight, so you have to click out. Okay. Okay, one. Yes. Why is this person always here? Wait a second. Whoa. Did you see that? Wasn't there like an X on there? Okay, I think this is the room. I don't know. Or should we go back? Oh, okay, it's normal. So it's been 4 minutes since we played this game. Imagine if we see the twins. Keep left. You know, smoking is normal. So it is normally. Was your hair black? No, it wasn't black. It's blonde, right? Wait. I don't know. Oh, okay. So, yeah. I need to check on it again, close. Okay, so his hair is blonde. Okay, we're going back because I hear voices. This is annoying me right now. No twins. Why is he running? Why is he running? Why are you recording me? Are we supposed to run? Yeah. Yeah, I'm on number 5 already. I think. Because like when he's running it's normally, when he's walking it's normally. Okay, no smoking is there. We need to check the picture and everything fine. Yeah. Oh, it's okay. Wait, why is there drawing? Excuse me. Oh, I'm in the trying to draw habits. There's someone trying to draw like a hand glowing into the mermaid Starbucks logo. Okay, if you do this on your phone every time, so it's number 6 already, because it's been 6 minutes. This is a challenge that I can't scream. The first scream, I have to pause. I'm gonna be. Oh, everything is fine, right?